Are you getting this error message after updating Windows 10? If yes, then watch this video till the end because I am going to give you best solution. This error code happens when processing the update for Windows 10, but its solution is also available, which I am going to discuss you in this video. Some of the possible causes that creates this problem are limited system reserve partition space, which I am going to solve you. It may happen due to failed connection for Windows update. This can also happen because of failed installation of .NET framework. Corrupted files may also cause this problem. Firewall is also an issue. Malware and viruses can cause this issue. So let's discuss about them completely. First method is to go to Windows Update. Click this option, run the troubleshooter, and troubleshoot the error completely, and just follow the online instruction to resolve this issue. The second fix is to check the partition size. Windows require a minimum 500 MB space in the system for reserve partition for the system update. So you can just search the create format and hard disk partition. Click on this option. System reserved is only 350, but Windows require minimum 500 MB space for the system update. If the space is not enough, use a free partition tool to extend the partition size. There are so many online tools that you can use to resize the partition, and you can increase the partition. I'm just giving you one tool. Here is the link of the tool, partitionwizard.com. You can check the spelling, partitionwizard.com. You can open this link. I will also share you this link in the description of this video. Simply download this link and you can partition the size of your system accordingly. Check the network connection properly. Weak network and VPN may cause this issue, so make sure that these are updated properly. Unplug your router once and plug it again and see whether it is causing the issue. Method is to check the .NET framework. .NET framework software platform is designed for Microsoft only, and it works for a framework process, and this error code may occur because of this. So you need to search turn Windows features on and off. Check any box related to .NET framework and click on OK. For example, you can see you can select any of these and click on OK, and if any problem is there, a pop-up window will appear that you need to troubleshoot and you need to resolve this issue. If you are asked to download any file, you can download that file, and after that reboot your PC and try to upgrade the system again, and I hope this issue will resolve. In case this issue does not resolve, then go to the next method. The next method is to turn off firewalls. Windows Defender Firewall is developed by Microsoft to protect computers from unapproved access. This may cause sometimes Windows updates as well, so you can turn them off. So you can see these are all on. You can turn them off one by one. You can see turn off or on firewall. You can see these are on. You can turn them off and just click on OK. The next method is to repair system files. Damaged or missing or corrupted system files can cause Windows update. Open command prompt, right click on this and click on run as administrator. Type in sfc space /scan now and press on enter. If you have antivirus installed in your system, just turn them off for a while and then try to update Windows update once again. I hope this video helped you, but make sure that restart your PC after following this step every time. In case you find this video helpful, friend, just hit on the like button and subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends, take care.